Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to ISKCON YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Canto, 8th chapter, text 13 onwards. So this is a Namakarana, name giving ceremony by Gargamuni. So in this verse, this Gargacharya says that Asan Vannasta Yuyasya Gunato Anujugam Tanu Shukro Rakta Statapita Idaning Krishnadangataha. That means your son Krishna appears as an incarnation in every millennium. In the past, he assumed 3 different colors, white, red, and yellow. And now he has appeared in a blackish color. In another Dwapar Yuga, he appeared as Lord Ramchandra in the color of Shukla, or parrot, Sukha, a parrot. And all such incarnations have now assembled in Krishna. So, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj in the purport says that partially explaining the position of Lord Krishna and partially converting the facts, covering the facts, Gargamuni indicated your son is a great personality and he can change the color of his body in different ages. The word Grihnanta indicates that Krishna is free to make his choice. In other words, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and may therefore do whatever he desires. In Vedic literature, the different colors assumed by the Personality of Godhead in different millenniums are stated, and therefore when Gargamuni said, your son has assumed these colors, he indirectly said he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Because of conscious atrocities, Gargamuni tried to avoid disclosing this fact, but he indirectly informed Nanda Maharaj that Krishna, his son, was the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It may be noted that Srila Jiva Goswami in his book Karma Sandarbha has enunciated the purport of this verse. In every millennium, Krishna appears in a different form, either as white, red, or yellow, but this time he personally appeared in his original blackish form and, as predicted by Gargamuni, exhibited the power of Narayana. Because in this form, the Supreme Personality of Godhead exhibits himself fully. His name is Sri Krishna, the all-attractive. Actually, Krishna is the source of all avatars, and therefore all the different features of the different avatars are present in Krishna. When Krishna incarnates, all the features of other incarnations are already present within him. Other incarnations are partial representations of Krishna, who is the full-fledged incarnation of the Supreme Being. It is to be understood that the Supreme Being, whether appearing as Shukla, Rakta, or Pita, that means white, red, or yellow, is the same person. When he appears in different incarnations, he appears in different colors, just like the sunshine, which contains 7 colors. Sometimes the colors of sunshine are represented separately, otherwise the sunshine is observed mainly as bright light. The different avatars, such as Manvantar avatars, Lila avatars, and Dasa avatars, and all are all included in the Krishna avatar. When Krishna appears, all the avatars appear with him, as described in Srimad Bhagavatam 1.3.26. Avatara sankhya harat sattva nridhardija. That is, the avatars are incessantly appear like incessantly flowing water. No one can count how many waves there are in flowing water, and similarly there is no limitation of the avatars. And Krishna is the full representation of all avatars because he is the source of all avatars. Krishna is Ansi, whereas others are Ansa, part of Krishna. All living entities, including us, are answers. Mami Mans Jivaloke Jivabhuta Sanatan, as stated in Bhagavad Gita 15 chapter text 7. These answers are all of different magnitude. Human beings who are minute answers, and the demigods, Vishnu Tattvas, and all other living beings are all parts of the Supreme. Nitya Nityanang Chetanas Chetananam, stated in Kathopanishad 2.2.13. Krishna is the full representation of all living entities, and when Krishna is present, all avatars are included in him. The 11th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam describes the incarnations for each yuga in chronological order. The Bhagavatam says, Kriche Shukla, Chaturbahu, Tatyam, etc. That is 11.532. That is Dwapara Bhagavan Syama and Krishna Varnam, Tusha Krishnam. So we actually see that in Kali Yuga Bhagavan has appeared in Pita Varna or yellow color as Gaurasundara, although the Bhagavatam speaks of Krishna Varnam. To adjust all these statements, one should understand that although in some yugas, some of the colors are prominent, in every yuga, whenever Krishna appears, all the colors are present. Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishnam. Although Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appears without Krishna or his blackish color, he is understood to be Krishna himself. Idanim Krishnadam Gataha. The same original Krishna who appears in different varnas has now appeared. The word asan indicates that he is always present. Whenever the Supreme Personality of Godhead appears in his full feature, he is understood to be Krishna Varnam, although he appears in different colors. Prahlad Maharaj states that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Channa, that is, although he is Krishna, he is covered by a yellow color. Thus, the Gaudiya Vaishnavas accept the conclusion that although Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in Pita color, he is Krishna. Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishnam, that is stated in 11th canto, 5th chapter, text 32. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in Saraswata Sintika says that in this verse, Garga tells Nandamananda that his son is a Mahapurusha, great personality. Your son appears in every yuga and has assumed 3 different colors, red, white and yellow. Grinanto indicates that Krishna accepts by his own will. Now, Idanim, at the end of Dwapar Yuga, he has taken the form of Krishna. That is what Garga wants to convey to Nanda. The actual meaning, however, is hidden. This is Sanskrit. Pointing his finger at Nanda's son, Gargamuni indicates that the white, red and yellow color forms are Krishna's parts or answers, and now he has appeared in his full form as the Avatari, the source of all avatars. Krishnadam Gataha. Or the sentence can mean the white, red and yellow forms indicating all the Manvantara avatars, Lila avatars and Purusha avatars are all included in the Krishna or Krishnadam Gataha. And the original form of the Lord has now appeared with all the answers within himself. So, Prabhupada Maharaj takes the essence from all the acharyas. So, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur also says the same thing, 11th canto, Prabhupada Maharaj said. So, I do not have to repeat it again. And there are so many comments. I would like to say about what Srila Sanatana Goswami in Brihad Vaishnava Dasani says. He says, according to time of birth, first Garga explained Balaram's names, then he explained Krishna's names, or he deals with the simpler matter first and then the more complicated in the manner of the needle and the cauldron. Suchikata Nyaya. Having explained Balaram's name, he hides the derivation of Krishna's name, which is explained according to the scriptural statement. Krisi Bhuva Jagha. Krishna is the source of all existence and bliss. Instead reveals his name to mean black and beautiful. It takes forms. Tanu means forms. In Satya and other Anujugam with the color white, red and yellow, he indicates certainly, or that it is well known. Now at the beginning of Kali Yuga, that is Idanim, he has appeared in a black color, Krishnadam Gatha. He speaks in this way to hide the fact that his color is actually eternal. Since he is eternity, knowledge and bliss, there is no difference between his blackish form and his very self. Otherwise, Nanda would realize that Krishna, being an eternal black form was directly Bhagavan Narayana. In this way, there are so many commentators, but I would like to stop here with a request to subscribe, share, and like our channel and get the blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.